Good morning. It is 6:30 in LA. I've been up since 4 a.m. because I'm on Central Time. Story of my life. But I am jacked up. I'm excited. I'm driving into Santa Monica right now. That's where everything is taking place today. So I'm gonna meet the glam squad and get ready, and then I'm gonna see everybody. So I'm excited. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome to the Laguna Beach launch day. We are kicking off all the press today. We have a press junket, and then tonight is our premiere party. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the whole ride, and I'm really excited. It's gonna be a very fun day. Hi. Hi. How are you?
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Oh, you look good. Hi. Oh my gosh, it's nice to meet you.
Taking names, we keeping score. Front and center, we bigger than before.
Chris, are you okay if I take photos of you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you just eat it? It's cucumber.
I love it. Nom, 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 nom.
How about some more?
Scared me.
Fresh cucumber.
Fresh cucumber.
Oh my God.
Back at it again. Look at us now, do it weird.
Lo and Lauren before the black and white party, and they're like,
When they're planning it?
yeah, well, about me being the only one to wear a white dress to the black and white party.
I liked how we were all wearing black. Kristin was wearing white.
So for the white dress tonight, I was thinking this could be really cute with it. Something high to the.
I love that, but what if we did this just to really play off of Laguna Beach? And we're bringing this back,
I love it.
so okay, good.
Done deal.
I'm gonna see the earrings.
Yeah. No necklace, right?
No.
Okay.
We at the top, now we gonna dominate. Hit me up, think that you can take a little
Can't be too
off
careful.
track. See if we can stay straight. You up against a heavyweight. Here we come.
What's up, guys? It is officially Laguna Beach Press. Today we are kicking everything off with the junket, and then tonight we have our premiere party. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the whole ride today, so stay tuned.
Joe, do everything for
Oh,
you.
okay.
We'll figure it out. We'll
Perfect.
shop and figure it out.
Okay,
Good
thank
luck
you.
today. Bye,
Thank you. I always remember faces. Oh, I don't want to smell.
We started from the floor, time to raise it up. Reaching a new high, we're never giving up. Taking names, we keeping score. Front and center, we bigger than before. Back at it again.
Cute outfit.
I know,
Did you
you're
say it was
so
one
cute.
piece?
Oh, that's the color.
How's it one piece?
Well, to tie it back to Laguna Beach, it's been a full circle moment for me to have worn this black choker on Laguna Beach that I was sort of known for. And then when I launched Uncommon James in 2017, we launched with a bunch of chokers. And actually, in honor of the reunion, we're bringing the black choker back. And so it's just one of those really cool moments in my whole career that it's full circle, and it's really nice for me to be able to pay homage to, you know, the original series like that. Okay. Oop. Yeah, that's cute. This guy. The ear jacket's kind of fun, right? Because it's different. It's all about the choker. Okay. Shoes.
Do you need help with the shoes?
I can't move in this. I can't move in this dress. Oh my god.
Oh no, do you need help?
I got it. Here, just keep rolling. Wow.
Cute. And then maybe like turn around like you're leaving for the party. Cute.
They're all there. I can't be the asshole that's like, oh, sorry. I'm just literally standing in my room for 45 minutes trying to leave. It's not me. All right, you guys, thank you so much. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Bye. Thanks.
I love you. We are heading down to the premiere party. We had a long day of press today. It was so fun. Got the gang back together, and now we're gonna go celebrate. And
Kristin right here on the left. Kristin back on the left.
Kristin, one more time on your right.
One more time,
big smile, right?
Personalities are opposite, so it works. Yeah, and our voices too. I mean, it's not you and there's such like a random, like two people who put together, but we're both from like the same town or whatever, so we mix for sure. Who's so Personalities are opposite, so it works.
oh my god, you did it.
And then, like a high school romance, it was over, and life moved on. But the people who lived it never really talked about what happened until
What's the Let's Be Honest with Kristin Cavallari?
Like and subscribe.